Then guys, spread out. Spread. Okay, spread. Okay, team 1 will go moon, 2, 3, 4, 5 will go sun, then 6, 7, 8 will go star. Okay? Jen Bilog, sa moon ka, ba't andito ka?
Saan ako? Team 2 ako eh.
Team 2 ka ba? Team 3
Diba?
ka pala. 3 ka pala.
3 pala ako.
Oo, nga pala. Bobo, no? Galing ko talaga. We can do it, guys. We can.
Kung panghinaan ng loob yan, trash talking ko agad yan.
Wag. Guys, if you see a lot of enemy on your side, move to the other side. Okay, if you see a lot of enemy on your side, move to the other side. The other side of the tablet. Okay?
Pati sa ano, ang bomba.
For some parties, guys, if you can't kill them, don't respond. Just let them. Don't respond. Okay? How about if you don't see enemies? Sir Val, they're scared at you.
Panghinaan ng loob yan, pag trash talking
Okay.
yan.
Team 1. Team 1. Okay, Team 1. Listen, Team 1. Okay, Team 1, listen. Okay, go moon. Okay, no matter what happened, just stay in moon. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 will go sun. Then 6, 7, 8 will go star. Then, worst case scenario, if you can hold the 3 tablets, we will just focus on 2 tablets. So it will be star and moon. We will be focusing on in star and moon if we can't hold the 3 tablets. Okay? So this is it, guys. If we manage to beat them, we will secure the top 16. Okay? This is it. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Good luck. Oof. I'm so excited. Guys, don't forget to use food buffs. Okay, food buffs, potion buffs. Every buff that you have, use it. Okay, use it. Then, guys, to all players in Elite Party, okay, on your EL, all players must have EL. Okay? Don't worry, I believe in Star since they have Cruella and Pixa. That's why I only put 3 teams. Okay? Because in Sun, I don't believe myself either. Go, capture. Capture. Serval, go to Star. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, wait. Wait for 15 seconds. Okay. Where's the moon? Wait for 15 seconds. It's fine, guys. It's fine. We're still good. Serval can capture the moon. Okay. Team 8. Try to pressure moon also, Team 8. Go to moon, Team 8. Then 6, 7, just hold the star, okay? Okay, nice. Doing good. Nice. Guys, spread out. Star. Serval, go to star. And Team Sun. Go between Sun and Moon. Team Sun, go between Sun and Moon. Just between. Between the line.
We're clashing at the moon.
Okay. Team Sun, go to Moon. Push the Moon. Push. Let's go, let's go. Okay, go back, go back. Nice. We still can push them, don't worry. Nice. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. Some parties, if you're still alive, I hope you guys still alive. 17 minutes. Okay, mobs. Okay, wait. I think Serval can handle the sun. Nice. Okay, nice. Spread out, guys. Spread out. To all teams, spread out. Ah. Okay, nice, nice, nice. We're doing good.
Wala,
We're
hindi nila
doing good.
Hindi nila ako ma-burst. Tulog muna sila.
We're doing good, guys. We're still doing good. And to all FS, don't forget to use the golden tree. Anytime it CD. Okay?
GG, well play. Sabi ni Nijin, maraming guild na kupal. Oo nga, kupal.
Guys, don't go outside the tablets. Don't go outside the tablets. Just stay inside the tablets, okay? Just stay. Wait. San, don't go outside the tablet, San. Serval, can you move to San for now?
Kaya clashing.
Yeah. A lot of our members. Okay, San, regroup. Go below. Below San, go below. We will enter later. Go below San, below. Serval, move to Moon again. We will capture the Team 8, go Moon again. Go below. Nice. Okay, capture now. Go, enter. Team 2. Listen, Team 2. Go upper left, Team 2. Upper left, Team 2. Then Team 7, go upper right. Team 2, go upper left. Team 7, go upper right. Okay? Okay. Go back now, go back. Nice. Go. Okay, regroup, Sun. Regroup again. Let them capture the Sun again. Let them. Regroup at the bottom part of the Sun. Near OB. Just regroup. Let them capture. Let them. Okay, let them.
Lahat nila nasa sun.
Oo nga, lahat eh. Okay lang. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go enter now. Go enter Sun. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go enter Sun. Enter. Summon the golden trees. Go. Enter. Wipe them out. Random Resu. Go. Just pressure them. Pressure. Nice. We're doing good. Go. Pressure. Okay, nice. Reso your teammates. Don't forget to reso your teammates. Battle inside the tablets. Okay? Battle inside the tablets. If you have Frozen World, use it. Okay? Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. We're still doing good. Okay, okay. Okay. Listen, team 1 to 6. Okay, team 1 to 5. Team 1, go Sun. Team 1, go Sun. Then team 2, 3, 4, 5, go Moon. Team 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, go Moon. Team 1, go Sun. Okay? Team 2, 3, 4, 5, go help the Star first. Help the Star. Let's go. Then go back to Moon after. Then team 1 will go Star. I mean, Sun. Okay? Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to Moon now. Go to Moon. Go to Moon.
We are at the moon.
Big sa Ken? Ken? Or cannot? Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go help the Star again. Go help the Star again. Go, 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 go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go help the Star, the Sun again. Ay, the Star I mean. And team 1, I hope you can catch the Sun. Okay, okay, we're here. Okay, nice. Okay, team 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back to Moon. We have 30 seconds to... They don't capture the Star for 30 seconds. Okay? Go back to Moon. Go back. Go back. 1 minute OB, 1 minute. Okay? Nice. Okay? Still manage. Can still manage. Losing Star again. Don't worry, we still have 10 seconds. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go Moon. Go Star again. Go Star. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go Star again. Let's pressure them. Pressure. Okay, nice. Okay, now listen, all teams. Leave all the tablets. All teams, go to Baron. All teams, go to Baron. Leave all the tablets. All teams, go to Baron. And use your Frozen Worlds, okay? If Baron spawn, use your Frozen Worlds. Use your Radiant Guardians. Use your Soul Force, okay? Go. Use it now. There you go. Okay, we managed to be in top 16. Ay!
We die so many times, bossing.
Yeah.
Ah,
Well, it's given since they have a lot of members also, and they ahead of us.
title.
But still, we managed to beat them.
We don't die. We multiply. Guys, ton 11, 10 to 14, anyone?
Yeah, I forgot. Since we have a lot of enemy in Sun. Yeah. Since only Serval's team on the middle. Luchan, yes. What? Yeah, they're level 120 and they already 5-star title all. 5-star up. Yeah. Yeah. Congrats, guys. For sub parties, thank you for participating also. I see the yellow points that move up so fast. Yeah, thank you for participating also. We managed to beat the ahead players. If we manage to win at least 2 next week,